Hello viewers, welcome back to another new video of HD for English. Today we are going to discuss how to describe a process using a flowchart. In Madhyamik examination and in other examinations of different boards, students are often asked to describe a process of preparing or making something using a flowchart. And today we are going to discuss the process of preparing tea, an exciting drink. First of all, let's see how the question is asked in the examination. Here is the question of Madhyamik 1997. Use the following flowchart to describe how tea is prepared. Make use of linkers to tie up your sentences. Flowchart. Pour cold water in a kettle. Boil until vapor comes out. Put tea leaf in a teapot. Pour boiled water in the teapot and leave it for 5 minutes. Add sugar and milk and stir with a teaspoon. Pour it in cups. Serve it hot. Let's write the answer. But before that, if you are new in my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and to get the notification of every new video, please press the bell icon. And if you want to get the PDF notes of this video, please join the channel by hitting the join button. The process of making tea, an exciting drink, consists of a number of stages. First of all, water is boiled in a kettle for some time. Then the boiled water is poured into a teapot. Thereafter, 2 teaspoonfuls of tea leaves for each cup are put into the teapot. Now it is to be covered with the lid and kept for 5 minutes. Then sugar and milk are put into the cups in right proportion. The boiling liquor from the teapot is now poured into the cups through a sieve. After this, the hot mixture is stirred well with a teaspoon. Thus, the tea is made ready and it should be served hot on a tea tray. That's all for the tea. If you love the video, please like, comment and share. And to subscribe the channel, please hit on the channel logo shown in the screen. We shall meet again very soon. Till then, stay connected with us and keep watching HD for English. Thank you.